Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add your shop, office, service center, academy, restaurant, school or any physical business location to Google Maps completely free. For this video demonstration, I will be adding my brother's shop which is located in Srai Mahajar, Bakhar. If your customers ask you where your shop or office is located, or if they search on Google Maps so they can get directions and reach your physical location, then this video is for you. I will be using a desktop for this tutorial because it is easier to see everything clearly while recording. However, if you are using a mobile phone, don't worry, the process is almost the same and you can follow along from your phone as well. By the end of this video, you will know how to add a missing business location on your Google Maps, which information Google asks for, how to fill each field correctly, and what to do after your location is approved. So let's get started. So the very first step is to open your browser and go to Google Maps. I am already on Google Maps, but if not, then you can simply search Google Maps and then click on the very first link, which is Google Maps, and you will land on this page. Here, if on your browser you are already logged into your Google account, then Google Maps will also be logged in using the same Google account. So if possible, you can use the Google account that you will later use for your Google business profile. So you can do the same process from the Google Maps mobile app, but for this tutorial I am using the desktop version. So once you click on the very first link, you will land on this Google Maps screen, and here you will be logged in with the Google profile. You are logged in on your browser, then you can log in with the Google account you have, so that you can submit your location on Google Maps. So the process is same. If you are on mobile phone, you simply have to open your Google Maps app and you will land on the same Google Maps screen. Now here on this page, you need to find your business location. So if you are on the location, in case if you are in your office, then you can simply click on this dot icon which says show your location. Then it will ask you to allow permission to access your location, and once you allow it, then it will detect the location where you are sitting right now. Now here on this screen, you need to search for the location you want to add. Here you can use the search bar or manually zoom into the area where your business is located. In my case, it is located in Srai Mahajar, so I am zooming in so that I can find the exact location. You need to zoom in until you can clearly identify the exact building or shop location. So here you can see that it is showing me this kind of preview, but you can switch to satellite preview so that you can find the exact building you have for your office or your service area. And here you can see that once I search for the exact coordinates, then a red pin has been placed on my targeted place. Now if you are manually searching, then you can right click here on the exact location and then click on add a missing place, or if you are on your mobile phone, then you can tap and hold for a second, and then a same red pin will appear on the targeted location. Now double check that the pin is placed exactly on your business location. If the pin is wrong, customer may end up at the wrong location, and if the pin is wrong, then you can adjust the location and then repeat the same process. Now once you have double check the pin, then on the desktop you will have this sidebar, and on mobile you will have information about the location. You can scroll up and you will have the same option. So I click on add a missing place. Now Google will ask you for the information about the place. So here you need to give the name of the place. In my case, it is Al Asghar Digital Hub. Then you have to choose the category. In my case, it is internet service provider. You can choose the one that best describes your place. Then here inside the address, you need to enter the exact address. Here it has taken the wrong address, so I am going to fill the correct one. Now here I can see that on the map it is showing the wrong location, so I click on edit map location and then I click on reset map. Now once I reset, then you can see that it is showing the correct location, so I click on save. And here if you want to add more details, then you can add location within, and you can also add the hours. So in my case, I am not going to add the hours, but I will add the phone number. In my case, I have this business phone number, and also I have a website URL for the business location. Now the other information is that you can also add the relevant photos. For example, the photo of the shop front. I have the photo on my desktop, so I have selected the one, and then I click on submit. Now here you can see that it is saying how your edits are used. Changes based on your edits may appear across Google services including Maps, Search and Assistant. Edits must follow Google's policies, and you can see that it says Google may email you about the status of your edits. So I click on OK, and then now it is submitting the location. Now it says thanks for improving Google Maps, and the location has been submitted to Google Maps. And once Google Map verifies the location, it will send you an email, and your location will be registered on Google Maps. Google will review the information. Approval times vary. Sometimes it may be approved within a few hours. Sometimes it can take several days. Google may also request additional verification if needed. So here you can also see that I have received an email that my location is under review, and once they verify the location, then they will also send me an email. So once approved, your business will appear on Google Maps. People can search your business name, customers can get directions, people can call you directly. Your business becomes easier to discover locally. For a local business, this is one of the easiest ways to increase visibility without spending money on advertising. Now you have added the place on Google Maps, and adding a place on Google Map is great, but if you want full control over your listing, customer reviews, business update, photos, analytics and search visibility, you can also create a Google business profile. I already have a video on this. I will link to that video in the description below. You can watch that how to create your Google My Business profile. So make sure if you want to register your Google business profile, then you can go and watch that video. For that video, that's it. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who owns a shop, office, academy, restaurant, clinic or any local business, and they want to submit their location on Google Maps. Until the next video, take care. Bye.